To change the fog lights on a 2011 CRZ, you first would take off these two bolts right here, 1 and 2, which are these right here. Looks like these screws right here, and I would take off this too. This lets you pull this apart more easily if you take that part off. So you want to do this on both sides, and what you want to do is also take off these right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And once that's off, you can pull this rubber piece off, and when you pull that piece off, you'll be taking off this last tab right here. And once that's off, and with the screws also off on this side right here, you can literally pull down the whole bumper. Notice I didn't take apart any of the bottom at all. The bottom is still attached. With the bumper loosened, I have access to screw 1 right here, screw 2, and it's a little bit hard to see, and screw 3 right here can be accessed from the top, as well as screw 2. This is all possible once again with 2 side screws off, the top screws off as well. Just kind of pull this apart, and you're able to change out your fog light. Here's how the eBay Civic fog lights that I got for $30 looks like. You just have to take off the hardware, transfer the lenses over. This is the crack right one on the CRZ. Here's how it looks without the shroud. So what we gotta do is we gotta move this one to here now. So to swap over the brackets, you gotta take off screw right here, screw right there, and a screw right here. On a new one, it's the same thing. I got this screw out right here, screw right here, and a screw right there. Here we are with the screw on. And the third one right there. Overall quality of the lens is not as good as OEM, but for 30 bucks, I'll take it. This is just a older model car anyway, so I'm not gonna throw a bunch of money into the fogs. I am gonna change that to an LED. Here's how it looks right now with the old one versus the new, much brighter LED fog light.